Good morning! Maayong buntag! Guess who's here? Guess who's here? Who's these? Who are you? What's your name?
Theo.
Theo. Dinrap siya ng mama niya. Wait, guys. How old are you? 2. Who do you have there? Who's that?
Tiger.
A tiger. Aww. You're hugging the tiger. Where's the eyes? Tiger's eyes.
This is eyes.
Yep, eyes.
Can see me.
He can see you, yeah? Where's the nose?
There.
Big nose. How about the mouth?
There.
There. And the cheeks?
There.
Ah, good boy.
Naughty.
Another cheek, yep. A mouth.
Look at that.
Look, I know. What color is that?
Red.
Red. How about the eyes?
Black.
Black. Where's the turtle? The turtle's there.
A butterfly.
Butterfly.
It's so happy.
Oh, so happy. The butterfly's so happy. What else do you have? What other toys do we have?
Oh.
Yeah.
Bus.
A bus.
Oh, what's
It's empty. No, it's there. On the table. Your puzzles. Do you want to play a puzzle?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's mine.
Yeah, this is your tiger. Tiger stays there. Naka-number to sila. Mahilig to siya sa puzzle, guys.
That's a girl.
I know. Alright, let's put all the numbers together. What number is that? Let me see the back. Number 3. Do you want to do number 3? Okay.
Do that one.
Alright, that one. Okay. I'll give you that one, alright?
This
Is that it? Oh, good job! There's more here.
There's more here.
Yes.
This is what? There.
Oh, good job.
It's a fit.
It fits! Yay!
Yay, did it.
You did it!
It's a fit there.
It fits. Yes!
This one's good. Yeah. This one.
Yay! It fits!
Maybe goes there.
Yes!
It's not finished yet.
It's not finished yet, yeah, I know.
And then
Good boy.
this one goes.
Last one! Yay! You did it! Which one do you want to do next?
Bunny.
You want that one?
That's the
All right.
belly.
Yeah, that's the belly.
Oh,
Do it here.
we got lots.
I know, we got lots. Got all of them.
That's all mine.
It's all yours.
I'm in the way.
Hmm?
The house is on the way.
Your house is 5 minutes away?
Yeah.
I know, it's very close, isn't it? You're such a smarty Pam. Is your house 5 minutes away?
Yeah. Got this one.
You got shoes on, yeah. That's right. We gotta put shoes on because it's really cold.
Look at that. It got fire on it.
Yeah, I know.
Fire. That's lots of hair.
Yeah, lots of hair.
Maybe this one.
Maybe that one?
Maybe this one.
Maybe.
Look at this.
Oh, you're right.
Is that go there?
Does that go there?
Yeah.
Is that the belly?
That's a belly.
That's the belly. It's got a green belly.
That's fire on there.
You're so good at this.
Yeah, I did.
You did it, didn't you?
Yes, I did.
Yes, you did. finish with the puzzles now.
You know, I got this one.
Oh.
And then we got Woody.
Woody? This one we got Woody?
Look, this one Woody.
There you go.
That's a belly.
I know. It's a big belly, hey.
A big belly. There's lots of bellies.
I know, lots of bellies. Do you have a big belly?
Daddy got a big belly.
Who does?
Daddy got a big belly.
Daddy?
Daddy got a big belly.
How about Auntie Ray's? Do I have a big belly?
Is he big?
Do I have a baby in my belly?
Yes.
Yes. Is it gonna be a baby girl?
Yes.
It is a baby girl. Are you excited to play with the baby girl?
Yes.
Yeah? Good job. Are you gonna teach my baby girl to do puzzle?
Yeah.
And you're gonna be Big Brother Theo.
Yeah. I got Ali.
You got Eli, yeah.
I miss Ali.
You miss Eli?
Yeah.
Oh, do you miss Uncle Danny? No. Silly. Is Uncle Danny naughty? Does he play with you or fight?
Fight.
He fights. Yeah, you can play with your boss. It's okay. Lalabas ko lang ang munggo, guys. Magluluto tayo ng munggo tonight. Where's my munggo? Careful! Isuso ko lang to ng tubig para mamaya hindi na natin siya tatagalan sa konti lang, guys, kasi ako lang mag-isa kakain nito. Ayan. Soak natin siya ng tubig. Are you hungry? What do you wanna eat? I've got food here for you. This is yours. It's a dinosaur. That's your food. This is yours. Sultanas. Maybe eat your sandwich first. And then that's gonna be your snack. Okay, let's go on the table, please. Is it yummy? Your mommy made it for you.
Yeah, Mom made me.
Yeah, I know. You're
It's
such...
yummy.
It's so yummy. Nakaalis na si Theo, guys. Tatapusin ko lang yung kailangan kong gawin. Ang cute niya kasi nag-text yung kambal ni Dan kaninang umaga. Sabi niya, okay lang ba idaan ko dyan si Theo? Magsha-shopping ako, grocery shopping. Kasi daw, sabi daw ng bata, after nila i-drop si Eli sa school, sabi daw ng bata, saan tayo pupunta? Sabi ng mama niya, grocery shopping tayo. Sabi niya, pwede ba akong pupunta kina Auntie Ray's? Sabi ko, aww, na-miss niya daw ako. Cute ni Theo. Guys, nandito na si Dan. Meron siyang dalang package. Now, ito ina-expect ko kasi di ba sabi ko sa inyo, nag-order ako ng leggings sa Lorna Jane. Yung full length na leggings kasi meron ako nung crop nila na leggings and para sa akin medyo maikli siya. So, tiningnan ko yung full length leggings nila nung nagpunta kami ng Harbor Town. Hindi siya yung maternity, pero sabi ko kung ganito din yung size ng maternity full length leggings nila, kasya siya sa akin. It's not gonna be too long. Kasi yun yung problema ko sa mga leggings. Masyado silang mahaba. So, if this fits, it's gonna be really good. Maganda siya kasi magagamit ko siya kahit hindi maternity kasi well, pakita ko sa inyo ha. Yung sa belly na part niya, hindi siya nakalawlaw. Alam mo yun? Pero very stretchy siya. I'm not sure if I make sense, pero wait, pakita ko lang sa inyo ha. Hala, my battery is dying, malab. Maganda yung quality nila. Tapos komportable pa ako. Ang hirap ko kasi hanapan ng leggings. Hala! It doesn't look too long, mala.
No, that look good.
Oh, yay! That will fit me. See, ito yung ibig kong sabihin. Yung sa belly na part, hindi siya like nakaganon. Pero it's very stretchy. So, it can accommodate your growing belly. Pero magagamit mo pa din siya kahit hindi ka buntis if you do not mind the, what do you call this? Very high waist na style. Kasi maabot talaga siya dito just under my boobie. Ganyan. Pero feeling ko kasya naman siya. Wait, kita niyo ba? Ganyan. It's not too long. Oh, that's good. Ito yung kanilang maternity full length tight. Alright. Now, meron ako nito. Hindi ko alam kung saan to galing, guys. I'm not expecting this one at all. But it's from Korea. So, we'll see what's in there. Sinensyo sa P.O. box ko. So, hindi ko alam. When did you pick it up, my love? This morning? Or, yeah. Alright. Ang laki ng box. Pero yung laman, ito. Look! Sequins! Hala!
Wow.
Uy! Aww! Uy! Pink sequins! Wait, open lang natin dito kasi maglalaglagan sila. I wanna open it with you guys. Are you watching, Malak?
I'm watching.
Nakahubad kasi si Dan, tapos kumakain ng cereal. Aww! Oh, what's that?
Open it out. Let's have a look.
Etude House! Okay.
What is it, babe?
From Etude House. It's a makeup brand.
Oh, okay.
I wasn't expecting this. Alright, let's get rid of all the Etude Rose Play Color Eyes. It's makeup. Sequins everywhere. It's very nice packaging. This is their Rose Wine. Oh. Marami pa siyang sequins dyan, no? Ano to? It's guys. Bago to nila. Meron tayong eyeshadow palette and Etude Rose Play Color Eyes Wine. Ooh. Ayan yung mga kulay, guys. And then, ito ano to? Better Lipstick. Ooh. Ang ganda ng packaging. Meron siyang weight sa kanya. And look, it's magnetic. Very fancy. Yan yung mga shades nila, guys. Oh, bait-bait naman nila. Sinali nila ako sa kanilang mga pa-PR-PR. Ganun siguro, no? Salamat. Salamat, Etude House. Thank you so much. Are you okay, my love?
A little bit.
You can sit on the couch now. I'm gonna turn it off na. Lumalayo siya. Hindi siya sa couch nakaupo kasi nakahubad siya eh. Try ko yung leggings. I'm gonna try on the leggings, mala. Gustong-gusto din ni Don yung leggings ko na isa eh. Galing din Lorna Jane. Sabi niya, damihan mo kaya yan. Sabi ko, mahal kasi. Sabi niya, okay lang yan. As long as magagamit mo. Okay lang yan. Tingnan nyo. Tamang-tama lang. Dito siya. Makapal din siya na leggings. So, magagamit ko siya sa winter. And see? See? Very stretchy nun sa belly na part niya. Ganda nito. Hanggang sa lumaki. Si baby. The back looks nice as well. Ayan. Yay! Meron akong leggings na maganda. Nakasya sa akin na hindi galing kids. Magluto tayo, guys, ng munggo. Wala akong kamatis. Usually kasi kapag pauwi na sila, tumatawag siya. Tapos tinatanong niya ako, anong kailangan mo? Ngayon hindi siya tumawag, so wala tayong kamatis. Nakalimutan ko din siyang sabihan in advance. But, ito na yung ating, well, hindi yung makita, pero nandyan yung ating munggo na sinoko kanina pa yung umaga. And, nakapag-chop na din ako ng onion at saka garlic. Uunahin natin ang onion at saka garlic. Wait, oil muna. Lagay tayo ng konting olive oil. Yung isasago ko dito is yung isda, guys. Yung leftover natin na isda. Yun yung ilalagay ko dyan. Look, wait. Dito siya. Meron akong konti lang. Pero pang isahang kain lang naman to eh. So, yan. Isda, ulo. Ulo na may konting laman. Lalagyan ko din siya ng malunggay. Yun lang. Yun lang yung ko sa munggo ko. Wala kamatis eh. Let's start with onion, garlic. Si Dan, yung ulamin niya is lamb. Meron kaming marinated lamb na binili namin kahapon. And we will have asparagus as side dish. Guys, nilagay ko na yung munggo. Nilagyan ko na din yung tubig. Tinimplahan ko na siya. Asin, pepper. So, depende na sa inyo kung anong klaseng timpla ang gusto nyo. But, it's getting there. Mamaya kapag sobrang lambot na talaga ng munggo, ilalagay na natin yung fish. And siguro dadagdagan ko siya ng tubig. Depende. Pero ganyan yung itsura niya so far. Ito na yung ating munggo, guys. Dinagdagan ko siya ng tubig. Ito yung isda. Yan yung Tommy. Binili natin nung Sunday. And it's good. Tinikman ko siya. Meron din tayong kamunggay dyan. Malunggay. Rice. And I'm ready to eat. Sida naliligo na. And his lamb is already in the air fryer. And naka-steam na din yung kanyang asparagus. Kakainin ko na lang itong aking food. Nung first time ko magluto ng munggo para kay Dan, sobrang gustong-gusto niya. Tapos, parang niluto ko ulit siya the week after. And gustong-gusto niya. After that, nagsawa na siya. Like, after the second week, nagsawa na siya. So, siguro 2 beses lang siya nag-try ng nakakain ng munggo. Pero ayaw na niya. Hindi na siya kumain ng munggo after that talaga. Kasi, sawa na daw siya. I put it for 16 minutes. Do you think that's enough? Is it like beef or
Thinner.
thinner? But there's 2 there.
Okay. We are. I don't know.
Yeah. Maybe watch it, my love.
Yeah.
Hindi ako marunong magluto ng mga lamb, ganun. Hindi ako masyadong nagluluto nun eh. Pero airfryer naman siya. Uy, sarap! Sarap na sabaw, guys! Do you wanna try my munggo? Ayaw na niya. Nagsawa na siya. Hindi ko din alam bakit. Eh, ang tagal na kaya nun. Siguro ilang taon na siya hindi kumakain ng munggo. Kaya ayaw na niya talaga.
You want me to look after Theo back at school and ask her if you want to go for a little bit?
She texted this morning and she's like, are you home this morning? Can you look after Theo? If not, that's okay. Tristan can look after him. He just wants to go to your house. Yeah. So I said, yeah, I'm staying home. Feel free to drop him off. And yeah, she dropped him off at around 10. And I had him for 2 hours.
And when she go to the shops?
Huh?
Did she go to the shops, did she?
Yeah, she went to the shops. She was gonna bring Theo, but Theo said he wants to come here.
Ah.
Yeah.
That might be a regular thing. That's alright, isn't it?
Yeah, that's fine. Totally fine. But there was a point where he was waiting for you at the door and was just doing like the fight position. He was like, Uncle Danny. It's like, you know, just getting ready for you, my love. He's so cute. He said, I like playing with Uncle Danny. Si Dan, kinakatakutan siya ng mga, hindi naman sa kinakatakutan, pero alam ng mga bata, kapag nandiyan si Uncle Danny, may mga play fighting talaga na magaganap. So, nagre-ready na yun sila. Hindi nila ako para pini-play fight, pero kapag Uncle Danny na, alam na nila na may play fighting magaganap. Tapos minsan si Dan, nag-ano siya, yung naglalaro siya na parang zombie siya. So, natatakot. Sinasabi ni Theo na scary daw siya. Pero, lagi siyang hinahanap-hanap. Tumatawag na lang bigla yung kambal niya. Hinahanap si Uncle Danny kasi hinahanap doon ng mga bata. Namimiss nila ang kanilang playmate. Yung munggo, maganda sa mga buntit kasi it is high in iron, protein, and fiber. Tapos meron pa tayong malunggay. Tsaka isda. Very good dinner this one. Yan ang dinner ni Danny Boy. Is that barbecue sauce?
Mm-hmm.
Gusto niya yun, barbecue sauce. Maninipis siya, so dalawa. And then asparagus. Did you add more salt and pepper to the asparagus?
Yeah.
Okay. Nilagyan ko na yun eh.
Hi guys, Raz is doing some editing. Where are you, my love? There you are.
I'm just editing a thumbnail for the bros.
For the Zigs, so
Yeah.
check out the boys' channel. The Zigs are doing really well.
Thank you,
They
are doing really
keep on editing, boys. And dessert time. So we're gonna have sticky date pudding and some ice cream.
Nakakatuwa yung boys kasi consistent sila sa kanilang vlogging. Ako yung nag-edit ng thumbnail nila kasi hindi ma-access ni Mark yung PicMonkey ko. Hindi ko sure. Sabi nila may parang yung hardware daw ng computer, parang it's not updated. I don't know, but yeah, inedit ko lang saglit yung kanilang thumbnail while nag-upload yung video nila doon. I-check nyo guys, as in, grabe. Sa mga Bisaya, kapag nakakaintindi ka, sobrang nakakatawa talaga siya. Like, wala akong tigil kakatawa kahit paulit-ulit kung panoorin yung mga video. Kahit mga kapatid ko sila, in fairness, nakakatawa. As in, we are watching Selling Sunset. Ano siya? Real estate na Netflix original. Season 2 na. Maganda yung season 1. Napanood na namin na yung season 1 nito and nag-post lang kami. We're on episode 2 ng season 2. While hinihintay na matapos yung ating sticky date pudding. You vlogged it, my love?
Yeah, I've vlogged some of it.
How many minutes?
14 to 16.
Okay.
With ice cream as well on top. They said to make it taste better at the end of it.
Boring.
No, it needs ice cream.
Well, we have ice cream.
Yeah, that's
Well,
what
you should
was
have.
that really good.
I don't think that's gonna be 14 to 16 minutes because there's preheat. Remember, you gotta preheat the oven first and then do 14 to 16 minutes.
I preheated for about 2 or 3 minutes.
We got ice cream. Uh-oh. Here we go.
Okay, let's see.
Ooh. Oi. Hot. Ah. Okay. That doesn't work like that. I think you need to use a stick. Not taste it. It will taste good for you, cooked or not. That's it. Sticky date pudding.
This is your piece.
That's too much. Okay. Ooh. Not much, my love. I don't even know if I like it. Okay, that's enough. Thank you, babe. That's enough. No. We'll see. Thank you. Thank you, my love. Wait, let me taste it first without the ice cream. It's very puddingy. It smells like pudding. Of course it's a pudding. Stupid.
What do you think?
It's alright.
That?
Yeah, it's not that sweet. I think it's alright, yeah. I can eat
Bit
this.
of ice cream would taste nice, babe.
I will.